Over this extensive period, spanning more than half a century, ASEAN has not only attained commendable progress, but has also paved its own course, emerging as a formidable institution in the eyes of the world. Our region is currently riding the waves of significant growth, providing a myriad of reasons to look towards the future with optimism. With the robust backing of the ASEAN Community Vision 2025, the collective ambition is to continue growing the ASEAN community into a peaceful, stable, and resilient entity equipped with enhanced capabilities to tackle challenges with efficacy and solidarity in diversity. The 14th General Assembly of ALA represents a significant milestone in our concerted journey towards realizing the ASEAN Community Vision 2025. Reflecting on the path that has led us from ALA's inception over 40 years ago to the present day, ALA has made remarkable strides in the realm of law, fostering legal networks, and strengthening cooperation among ASEAN member states. When we first set out, the vision of lawyers from our 10 nations, each with varying socio-economic conditions and distinct legal traditions, harmoniously collaborating was not immediately apparent. The mission to promote convergence in our laws and advance the rule of law seemed ambitious. Yet, the success of ALA, evident today, is living proof to the enduring bonds of friendship and collective effort among the individuals who turned this vision into a reality. It is important to recognize that while the ASEAN region is characterized by different legal systems, the principles of adherence to the rule of law and promotion of good governance nevertheless forms the essence of our diverse legal landscape. This shared aspiration, in my view, represents one of the fundamental threads woven into the vibrant ASEAN tapestry, our pride. In this regard, I must also take this opportunity to thank the government of Malaysia, spearheaded by the Prime Minister, who is present today, for giving the Malaysian judiciary its support. As the head of the Malaysian judiciary, I can assure you that the Malaysian judiciary, through the principles of rule of law espoused by the ASEAN collaboration, will continue to perform its function without fear or favour and without bias for any particular party. The Prime Minister is an ardent believer of these principles, and his support shows how the executive and the judiciary can continue to perform their functions independently of each other and yet, at the same time, provide support where support is needed. In the interest of time, I would not repeat the themes discussed in these enlightening sessions. Suffice to state that the Asean Law Conference brings together brilliant minds from different countries, cultures, and legal systems. In my view, it is in this harmonious amalgamation of perspectives that we can find solutions to the complex problems affecting our region. Like a tapestry without its threads, our community cannot thrive if any segment remains overlooked or unprotected. At the end of it all, our ASEAN tapestry, which stretches beyond national boundaries, encapsulates the protection of our women, children, marginalized communities, and the environment, all of which require the strong reinforcement of the law to ensure a more promising future which would still preserve the ASEAN tapestry, our pride. With that, I hope that this year's ASEAN Law Conference will serve as a springboard for this august association to venture into new frontiers of knowledge contribution, experience sharing, judicial cooperation, and justice development in ASEAN.